Not a nice day, so my camera is on an angle. So the lens don't get wet, and it still will capture straight out. Now, hey, I'm Fish. Did you know it's gonna snow? It's wet, it's raining at this moment. So I'm, made this video and everything worked out perfect. I went to go use the spin display the next day to do a live. Oh man, I was all in trouble. Well, I gotta be real careful. Sneakers and ice don't mix, and this is not clean or salted at all. So the program, I had issues, just like Go Fish. And things did not match up, they're not gonna work. And sure enough, that's what happened to me. But somehow, the videos I made got corrupted into the program's files that I saved after, which I should have saved before. Well, I gotta reload everything back up, and off I go. They say put your camera right on the water so you can get this beautiful shot of me looking like I'm walking in a very glassy shot. I gotta come back and pick you up. And the water's right there. See, I said we had snow, right? And there it is, it's on the floor. Today I'm shooting with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. And man, I hear people are spreading rumors out there on the 6 Pro, no less. I think I'm gonna look into a Casso. See what their best action camera is, and if they got that hyper smooth and rock steady. Oh man, that would be a trip. It really would be a great camera if a Casso had that rock steady and hyper smooth. Let's get on out of here and get on talking. I gotta walk slow, but you know what? Walk in the snow. Just gotta be careful of the brown and yellow spots. And this way, I get a better grip. Sometimes black ice is not fun at all. So I'm setting up my live on the platform, and I put the Sony ZV-1F on. Oh man, let me tell you, it's working. And when I use the DJI products, the Action 3, the Action 4, I don't think it's the camera, but more the program not allowing me to get that second camera showing in ways. I got it up there, something happened, I don't want to show again. Could it be the actual camera and the connection that is transferring information over? Or could it be just that platform? I'm not talking about OBS, but OBS I do have issues at times, as well as Prism. I'm talking about the live stream platform I'm on. And I'm using an Apple Mac Air, and it's not that issue. It's basically just, how things go with the Fish. I need to be showing my laptop so you can see what's happening when I do the application on the bottom half of the 9x16 and the top half of me. So I do have to situate my camera, or just see if I can get into the program and hit that thing and leave it on, and then just hit the hide and comes back to the main. I don't know the program that well. Doesn't take that hard to learn it. But when issues come about just in life, like we talked about the spin display, I have it on this platform, and that is TikTok. Oh man, I forgot my battery door, so my camera's gonna get wet, gonna get ruined by a single rain dew drop. I'm not gonna worry about it. Nothing happens to it. It can withstand this type of weather for sure. Now, I think I'm gonna get on out of here. Did my highlight talk, take the long way home, and be careful of the icy roads. Come on, let's get on out of here. I'll share it here with you. AI, it does a lot, man. And in order to get things onto the spin display, for like titles, when you put your title on just into an editor, what color is the background? Black. And that's all you need. So you can make all your fancy titles and put it 9:16, the lowest resolution, and you put it onto the spin display. Off you go. You got your titles. Now, if you got a logo that you did in Photoshop, bring it into your video editor and you have a black background as well. Or you have to make your GIF black background. And here you are, getting stuff into spin display. All you need to do is save it as a .mp4 file and bring it into the spin display app. How sweet is that, man? I hope I was on video. I don't want the raindrops to hit, and I don't see the top of my head in the front display because it's starting to get rainier. Rainier a word? It is not. I got ice underneath my feet. Well, it's time for me to go meet up with Joe and take care of what beeswax I got left. And I want to get things done on a nice, nasty day. Maybe a little time lapse to show you what's happening. You ever follow the yellow line? Follow the yellow line. Follow the yellow line. I do want to say this. I made a video, and man, when I almost bought the phone there. And when I look back at the video on my Sony ZV-1 Mark II, and I noticed my hand, it really stood out. It had definition, color, crispness, something that DJI couldn't do. Well, time to get on out of here and say thank you, and I check you in on another time.